Hey everybody, welcome to Landscape Rescue. I'm Stuart Moore, and today we're going to plant a black tower elderberry. So black tower elderberry, here it is. Black tower elderberry. Here is the black tower elderberry right here. And I don't know, I think they're gorgeous. I think they have beautiful foliage. Now the black tower is a columnar elderberry, so it's a little bit different than, say, a lace leaf elderberry that's just, you know, tall and wide. I'm pretty excited. Flowers in the summertime get 6 to 8 feet tall, 3 to 4 feet wide. We're putting it right here in front of this pillar, so you can kind of look. I mean, that'll fill that space quite well, I think. And this gets hot. I mean, it gets hot sun. I mean, right now it's probably around 2 o'clock. Who knows? I've just been working. I haven't been paying attention. And it's in the shade now, but we'll see how it goes. Worst case scenario, it just gets to a pale yellow or a greenish purple. And we'll have a little less blooms, but I think, you know, here it's gonna be fantastic. It's gonna get tons of morning sun. Remember, the hottest part of the day is between 10 and 3, and if I'm getting sun until 1, you know, that's a couple 2 hours of really intense sunlight, and then all the morning sun it gets. So let's just see. We're doing an experiment. I think it'll be fine, and paid 28 bucks for it, 29 I guess, which is a really good price for a designer elderberry, you know, a cultivated variety in a 3-gallon pot. So let's plant it. Beneficial fungus, beneficial bacteria, 2-year fertilizer tablets, and let's see what this baby can do. All right, so let's plant this black lace elderberry right in center with this column. The owner is kind of wanting to get his hands dirty, so he's going to do some rock work around this giant gravel bed that this is encompassed. So let's get the power planter out. Let's make this happen. All right, more experiments for you guys. This hole is solid rocks. If you can see that.
Those arms look like they can carry some babies.
They got the Biotone, and we got what's left of our 2-year fertilizer tablets. So, being that I really want this one to succeed, I'm going to use about 3/4 of a cup. Not to mention it's so well drained, the beneficial fungus is going to have to really do a very good job.
This is called a mycorrhizal relationship. The fungus feeds on the tree's sugars and gives it nutrients in exchange. It's good for the fungus and for the tree.
Because there's not a whole lot of soil in here. So,
this is the most boring experiment ever.
oh, not to mention black plastic. Good times. Oh, there's black plastic in here, because that was a thing to do probably when this bed was originally built.
Was an older, more primitive, bigger boned species of great ape that we call Neanderthal.
Especially when they used gravel, they use that quite frequently. So anyway, let's put the 2-year fertilizer tablets in there. We've already pre-inoculated the hole and the surrounding soil. I'm gonna use 4 tablets and this little half tablet. Northeast, south, and west, about halfway down. And then see, we've already got this backfill has been inoculated, so we got all those dormant fungal spores just waiting for a root to give them the signal to come aboard. And we are just going to have to keep a very, very close eye on this and make sure it's got plenty of water. And it could be a daily thing, daily chore to show up at Affinity Estates before I go to work and make sure the Black Tower elderberry gets watered real good. All right, guys, the Black Tower elderberry has been planted right there on that column. I think that's going to look smashing, as our friends across the pond would say. My name's Stuart Moore. Thank you very much for letting me into your home to talk about plants.